Today we there with
Reggae artist Fire George from Kingston, Jamaica. I don't know. Scotch, Scotch, Scotch.
Fire George. In your opinion, who's the king of dancehall?
Yeah, I hold up a king, you know. You have King Yellowman, you have King Beanie, and at this moment, them give cartel the king thing, so you don't know. Every man a king on earth, you see me I say about them hard work. Cause right now, cartel a sell out stadium, Buju Banton a sell out stadium, and who again? Massacre them a sell out stadium. All of the man them dance are going good, so me don't know what they call it out on the road. I don't know, but cartel are run with it right now.
It's a Fire George. Who is the biggest influence in music?
You don't know the Bob Marley and the wheel of them, you know. You see me I say, and Dennis Brown, Gregory Isaac, and them man there. You see me I say, apart from that, you know, I love Kenny Rogers, I love Michael Jackson, I love a peer great singer, American singers them. So you don't know, listen to great singers. Yeah, that's what it is.
You will peace now, Mr. Fire George.
Kingston, Kingston, you better watch how you walk in a Kingston. Oh gosh, Kingston, Kingston, you better watch your friends when you keep in a Kingston. It's a hustling spot where everyone can make a dollar. Rude boys on the corner, policemen on the cover. It's a hot spot. Any minute, any second, any time, you can hear a gunshot. And another one die like that. It's just like that. Kingston, Kingston. Yeah.
Big up yourself, Mr. Fire George. No, where people then can find you?
Yeah, you can find Fire George on all social media, Instagram, Spotify, YouTube. You don't know, and you have anywhere you go on the social media, you can find me because I'm there everywhere because over 145 songs we have on the YouTube and Spotify. So you can go there and go give us support and you know say reggae music is up and live and running. What do you think again in the street? What?
Views of the people.
Views of the people. So you don't know from Jamaica to the world. Scott, Fire George said the views of the people to the world. Views of the people to the world, to the world, to the world. Views of the people. Some talking this, some talking that. But I ragamuffin Fire George. Boom.
All right.